that company up here? Hey, hold on, who is it? I don't even know him.
John's River, next on NC Explorer. Today we're heading to the Appalachian Mountains, to John's River. I'm going to follow Highway 90 until there is no more pavement. Get some video and do some exploring. Thanks for being here. So I'm on my way to a 11-mile stretch of Highway 90 near the James River. Most of the property in this area is privately owned. I went to the end of the road where it turns to gravel, with big hopes of getting some great content. And on the way back, I just happened to notice I was parked at this sign right here, Anthony's Creek Road. And if you know me, you'll know why that's interesting. I mean, what are the odds? Well, just up around the bend there's a bridge, and I could hear the water. But I had to stop and make a couple of new friends. I think I'll call this one Sugar and the other one Donkey, just for fun. I have to admit, I wanted to pet these guys, but I didn't know if they thought I had a treat and I was going to get bit. People that know these animals better than I will laugh at that. What a day we're blessed with. I noticed there's several small tree farms. Isn't that neat? Can you make a living at this? Man, what a dream to live in the mountains and look at these structures. But this is what we came for. John's River, meandering its way down the mountain. These rocks are 30 and 40 feet tall. Did they have to cut these away just to make this road? Yeah, I'm guilty. I had to take a picture of the iron horse next to the water. But look at this stone. Wow. That is crazy, isn't it? Let's get some more perspective. Okay, so this turned out to be dangerous. There's a dog barking. I want to get to that bridge. Is the dog chained up or not? I don't know. So I turn around, go back up to the road, have an eighth of a mile to go to get to the bike, and the dog comes across the bridge. Luckily, somebody called it home, or it would have probably had me for lunch. So while my adrenaline was slowing down, I stopped at this new location. Glad that I didn't try and go all the way to that bridge. That may have triggered the dog to actually run instead of trot to investigate me, being that close. And he was a big old dog. And no, I didn't get any video. I was too concerned with getting an eighth of a mile up the road to my bike. Besides, I had this horrible thought of filming my own attack and it being a short on YouTube. What the heck? What a nice bridge. What's at the end of this road? Is it a wonderful house? I don't know. What do you think's there? There's just something about the calming effect of tranquil water. It's hard not to notice how the road and the river run side by side, twisting and turning down the mountain. I've said it before. Aren't we glad we have today? People are awesome. They cut out and carve out on the side of the mountains nice little homesteads. Some of them have some age on them. Some of them are in disrepair. But it makes them interesting. And look at the character in that fence. I noticed that the sides of the river here are solid white, but it's rock. That's not granite. What is that rock? It almost looks soft. It's been smoothed out by the water over the years. I love how the water just comes around the corner in such a smooth way. How cute. I noticed on the way down the mountain that this church was here. How beautiful. I decided to go around back, and I'm glad I did. Look what they have. They have part of JOHN'S River right in the back. And I was thankful to have somewhere with pavement to pull off. It was dangerous on these windy roads, stopping on the sides to get video. Down the mountain, I saw a post office. And a really old building next to it. Was that the old post office? A line of cars at the school. Well, I know I'm getting close to civilization now, but I won't forget all the wonderful things I've seen today. And I'm sure glad you came with me. I wouldn't want to do it without you. I decided to stop at one more pull-off. And I'm glad I did. Look at these giant boulders laying in the stream. Isn't that amazing? I'm assuming they fell. I wonder what that was like. Well, I noticed one more thing that's pretty interesting. There's a tent out there right next to the river. Somebody's braver than I am. I am not staying out here with bears and snakes at 3 in the morning. No, thank you. Well, I have to say, it's been a great day. I won't forget this place, and I hope you don't either. But it's time to head home. I noticed when I drove a truck across the country, it's not the place. It's the people you love being there. That's home. So until next time, give somebody a hug. And come back and see us again.